We love Johnny.
Oh, there. Oh, it's magnetic. I love it.
We love Johnny.
Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. I am with Jordan here. And for today's video is I'm gonna be doing unboxing of this package. A Dyson blow dryer. Char. So let's start. I am Englishing now. Englishing. Because I am with Jordan, so I need to speak English so she can understand. Because she's gonna think that I'm talking about her. So say hi, Jordan.
Hi. Okay, Liv is on her way back. I just called Sadie, my next one, asked if she started a bit earlier today. Doesn't know yet, so she's gonna call back and let you know.
Okay, guys. So, sorry, Maddie, can you close the door? Thank you. Because I'm doing the unboxing of my new Dyson stuff. A Dyson stuff!
Can I do that?
Huh? Tara! Oh yeah, say hi, Maddie.
Hello.
This is Maddie. So here you go, guys. So isa lang talaga siyang box. So pagkakuha ng box na yon, ito na yung laman niya. So I'm gonna speak Tagalog now kasi they're gone. So ito yung bago ng Dyson ngayon. So 4 yung bala niya. So ito yun, guys. So ito yung fast drying, no extreme heat. So no extreme heat, hindi siya nakakasunog ng buhok, pero mabilis talaga siya. So itong isang maliit is styling concentrator. Ito yung ginagamit nating normal na pag nag-blow dry tayo. Ito naman, ito yung gentle air. Kung gusto mo na medyo maliit lang yung konti lang yung hangin, ito yung gagamitin mo. Ito naman yung diffuser. Ito naman yung wide thought comb na may suklay siya. Habang binublow dry mo, pwede mo siyang suklayin. At ito naman yung sinasabi kong pang fly away. So ayun guys, ito po yung Dyson Supersonic blow dryer. So naka-sealed talaga siya, guys. Naka-sealed siya ng plastic. So ngayon, bubuksan natin to para tingnan natin ang loob. Ayan guys. So yung sinasabi kong para sa split ends, yan yung ginagamit. Ay, split ends sa fly away. Yan yung bago nilang ano ngayon. Nandito yung mga guide sa likod ng box, guys. So ito yung gagamitin mo pagka mag blow dry ka ng kulot. Ito yung marang may suklay. Ito yung regular na ginagamit. Oh, Jordan is here, Ken. What's that? A coffee framework? There's a lot. So pagka bukas nyo ng ganito, guys, you should what? You should what? How to take this off? Okay. So meron siyang box na ganyan. Bubuksan mo lang to. Tapos char. Meron pa siyang isang box sa loob. Super ano talaga siya, guys. Super safe siya na dineliver dahil there's lots of box. It's super safety, yeah. It should be. So pag binuksan mo yung pinaka-cover niya, meron pang isa here. So ito. Binuksan mo yon, meron ka pang isang buksan. Shucks. Pag binuksan mo yon, meron siyang ano dito para hindi siya matamaan agad. So ito na siya, guys. Maliit lang din siya. So ayan yung itsura ng, pero nafi-feel ko na siya na mas mabigat siya sa Gamma Professional. It's a bit heavy than the Gamma
Yeah,
Professional.
I've heard they're heavy.
Yeah. So meron siyang Dyson dito nakalagay. Oh, thank you so much. Oh,
Oh, she's still lighting. Okay, so she hasn't been waiting at all.
yeah.
Johnny's doing it.
Yeah, so
Hi guys, so we're unboxing the Dyson. This is Olivia Takeover.
Takeover.
He's like, now I gotta have to do this.
I was posing in the back. No, we've all done it.
Oh, good.
And then
It has a gentle air attachment.
and then there is the nguso-nguso over here. The nguso-nguso over here. So may ganitong isa.
Here you
So,
go.
ayan. Thank you so much, Jordan. Ah, no,
Excuse
Jordan.
me.
It's
I'd like to say
Olivia.
he just called me Jordan and my name is Olivia.
Olivia. So,
Do we look
she's
alike?
Olivia.
No.
No. Okay, so ito lang yung laman niya sa loob. Yan, ito yung i-attach dito.
We love Johnny.
Oh, there. Oh, it's magnetic. I love it.
We love Johnny. That
Oh.
reaction
Oh,
is
then now how to...
It's magnetic.
Oh, yeah. So, magnet siya, guys. So, hindi siya maglo-loss. Oh my God, I really love it.
He
There.
has an expensive taste.
No.
No.
I just want to
You
have
also
this.
have a camera.
Okay, so, ayun siya, guys. So, nandito yung ibang mga bala niya sa loob. So, I need to open this for you guys to see the extra bala. So, ito yung bala niya sa loob. Ito yung pang fly away. Ito yung...
Hello, Bessie.
Oh, hi! So, ito yung kasama niya. Oh, say hi, Bestie. I'm doing
Hi!
What a Dyson.
Yeah. I'm so excited. Now I don't know how to fix it again.
What the hell is that for?
It's the...
So cool.
And look at this. It's magnetic. Like, see?
Wow.
Yeah, it's... Yeah, I love it.
Fancy.
Yeah, look at...
He's so funny.
I know.
I love it.
This one too. Yeah. Love it. Okay. So let's put this back here and here. Okay, that's all yung nasa loob niya, guys. And I'm talking Tagalog again. Okay. And then let's put this back in the box. So, ayun lang po yung laman niya. Also, kung lagay ko to dito, I'm not gonna use this, guys. I-save ko lang siya in case of emergency na. I know that I have a Gamma Professional din na extra. Mas mabuti na yung marami kang extra ng blower para in case na biglang masira, may extra ka. Sinabi nga nila na mas mabuti na yung laging handa kaysa maubusan ka ng bala. Okay, so it's not perfect, guys, na nalagay ko balik, but ang importante na fit siya ng konti. Okay, so ito kailangan ko ibalik dito kasi protect siya. Okay, and then ibalik natin siya sa box. I'm gonna open the free container din niya ba, guys. Yeah, it's free.
Free?
Yeah, it's
Free
free.
will make you scream.
Yeah, my boyfriend gave this to me. It's a gift.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah,
You have a boyfriend?
of course.
Thank you, Johnny's boyfriend, for being
Very
generous.
generous.
You made this man very happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
He's so happy.
Oh man.
Ooh.
So there's lots of boxes here. Say to my very grumpy friend,
Ooh.
you.
Grumpy?
No,
I'm the happiest girl in the world.
yeah, I know. I'm just
Because you're
kidding.
happy. Ooh.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh shucks, how to open this? Oh my god, guys, I'm serious. Oh, look at this. So, yung box niya, guys.
Are you guys ready?
Are you guys ready? So you can put all the extra, what do you call
The bits and
I don't know.
all the goodies.
It's the muso.
Muso.
It's the muso. Look at this, it's so fancy.
So fancy. I love it.
You like
You
it?
happy?
I know, I'm happy.
So you can give me your gamma one?
No. This is just an extra. This is
just a
gift.
backup, right?
Yeah, this is just a gift
Just a
again.
$600 backup.
No,
blow dryer.
don't say the.
You're bougie. I can't say it. Look at
No.
you. Say, don't say how much money. We got like freaking
No.
24 karat earrings, 24 karat real gold, everyone. That's real.
No, it's not.
That's real Cartier. We got 2 real gold Cartier bands up in here. This is the pimp of chatters.
No. So this is the genuine components. So that's all for today, guys. So I'm gonna keep this just for backup kasi nagre-reban kasi ako dito. So parang anytime biglang masisira yung blow dryer ko, kaya kailangan ko ng backup. So ayun guys, tapos na yung unboxing natin dito sa Dyson Supersonic fast drying. I know this is my dream to have one of this magandang blower, kaya inano ko siya, itinry ko siya. So I'm gonna make a video then na i-compare ko siya doon sa Gamma Professional. They said it's the best blow dryer ever. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is John Ripple, Mama. Say bye, Jordan.
Bye, YouTube.
See you in my next vlog na i-compare ko siya to my Gamma Professional blow dryer. See you. Thank you.